Welcome back to the channel, automotive enthusiasts and off-grid adventurers. Today, we are taking an exclusive look at a machine that is completely redefining the boundaries of luxury van life and overland travel. If you have been following the recreational vehicle industry over the past few years, you know that the demand for premium, go-anywhere camper vans has absolutely skyrocketed. People are no longer satisfied with simply parking at a crowded RV resort with full hookups. They want to disappear into the wilderness, conquer rugged terrain, and live completely off the grid without sacrificing a single ounce of comfort. Enter the Frontier, a newly unveiled premium adventure van that promises to be the ultimate catalyst for your wildest expeditions. Built with the explicit purpose of allowing you to explore farther and stay longer, this magnificent rolling habitat is making serious waves in the automotive and overlanding communities. Let us dive deep into the engineering, the luxury, and the unparalleled capability that makes the Frontier a true standout in an increasingly crowded market. At the very foundation of any great adventure vehicle is a robust and reliable chassis. And while the exact underlying platform can often be customized, the Frontier is designed to maximize the potential of heavy-duty, all-wheel drive commercial van architectures. To truly explore farther, you need a vehicle that can handle punishing washboard roads, deep mud, and steep, rocky inclines. The builders behind the Frontier have equipped this van with a substantially upgraded off-road suspension system. This is not just a simple lift kit. We are talking about precision-tuned heavy-duty shocks, upgraded leaf springs, and a wider track that completely transforms the handling dynamics. When you pair this aggressive suspension with a set of oversized premium all-terrain tires wrapped around reinforced tactical alloy wheels, you get a vehicle that commands respect and instills absolute confidence behind the wheel. The exterior aesthetic perfectly matches this rugged capability. It features a stealthy, armor-coated lower perimeter to protect against brush and rock strikes, alongside a massive custom roof rack system accessible by a rear-mounted ladder.
This rack does not just look tough, it serves as the mounting point for an array of high-lumen LED light bars that can turn the darkest forest trails into broad daylight, ensuring your journey does not have to stop just because the sun goes down. But building a van that can reach the middle of nowhere is only half the battle. The true genius of the Frontier lies in its ability to let you stay there. To fulfill the promise of extended off-grid living, this premium adventure van is equipped with an electrical and plumbing architecture that rivals many modern stationary homes. The heartbeat of the Frontier is a massive high-capacity lithium-ion battery bank, meticulously integrated into a smart power management system. This system is continuously fed by a sprawling array of high-efficiency solar panels, covering almost every square inch of the available roof space, as well as a dedicated secondary alternator that rapidly charges the batteries while the engine is running. This means you can run the roof-mounted air conditioning, the induction cooktop, and all your electronics for days on end without ever needing to plug into shore power or listen to a noisy, polluting gas generator. Water autonomy is equally impressive. The Frontier boasts oversized freshwater and graywater holding tanks, perfectly insulated and heated to prevent freezing in extreme winter conditions. Paired with an advanced multi-stage water filtration system, you can confidently draw water from natural sources and stay perfectly hydrated and clean during multi-week expeditions in the backcountry. Stepping inside the Frontier is an experience that completely betrays its rugged exterior. The interior is a masterclass in premium automotive and architectural design, blending the warmth of a luxury ski chalet with the space-saving ingenuity of a high-end yacht. The entire cabin is wrapped in ultra-thick four-season automotive insulation, wrapped by marine-grade moisture-resistant fabrics and beautifully handcrafted hardwood cabinetry. Every hinge, latch, and drawer pull is heavy-duty, designed to remain completely silent and securely shut while the van is bouncing down a rutted trail. The living area features plush, ergonomic swivel seats that rotate to face a versatile dinette space, creating the perfect mobile office for digital nomads or a cozy dining area for two. The galley kitchen is a chef's absolute dream, completely bypassing the cheap plastic fixtures found in traditional RVs.
Instead, you get a deep stainless steel sink with a residential-style pull-down faucet, massive solid-surface countertops, a dual-zone electric chest refrigerator, and an induction stove that boils water in a matter of seconds. Towards the rear of the van, the Frontier maximizes utility with a meticulously designed sleeping and storage layout. The primary bed is elevated, featuring a thick, custom-shaped memory foam mattress that guarantees a restorative night of sleep after a long day of hiking or mountain biking. Cleverly integrated reading lights, USB charging ports, and insulated window covers create a dark, quiet, and perfectly climate-controlled sanctuary. However, the elevation of the bed serves a dual purpose, creating a cavernous garage space underneath that is accessible from the rear doors. This gear locker is lined with durable, easy-to-clean materials and features a heavy-duty slide-out tray system. It is large enough to securely store expensive mountain bikes, snowboards, inflatable kayaks, and all the recovery gear you could possibly need for a long-term journey. There is even a high-pressure exterior washdown station located right at the rear doors, allowing you to spray off your muddy boots, bikes, or even your dog before stepping back inside your pristine luxury cabin. In conclusion, the Frontier is much more than just another camper van. It is a highly engineered, premium overlanding tool designed for those who refuse to compromise on capability or luxury. It successfully bridges the gap between a hardcore, terrain-conquering expedition vehicle and a sophisticated, comfortable tiny home. By offering unparalleled off-grid power, massive water storage, and a breathtaking interior, it truly lives up to its promise of allowing you to explore farther and stay longer. While a premium build of this magnitude commands a significant investment, for the dedicated adventurer, the freedom it unlocks is absolutely priceless. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's deep dive into the world of luxury adventure vans. If you enjoyed this overview of the Frontier, please make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment letting us know where you would take this magnificent machine on your first road trip, and subscribe to the channel for more daily automotive and overland content. Stay safe out there, keep exploring, and we will see you in the next video.